Hello and welcome to 6 Woodcrest Road, Asheville, North Carolina. Let's take a look. When you come in the front door, you'll see there's lots of south-facing sunshine, big open concept living room, kitchen, wood-burning fireplace. There's a coat closet there, lots of built-ins. Beautiful appliances. This is a 36-inch gas range. It's great. Lots of oven space for cooking your big holiday meals. Gorgeous countertop. And backsplash. Through here you have your dining room. And directly off of the dining room is an office with built-in desk and shelving. There's currently a queen-size bed in here, so this could actually be a fourth bedroom here, especially if you took out these built-ins and wanted to make more space or even add a closet. This room was added on recently. And through the dining room, we have another bonus room. This could also be an office if you were to move and make that other room a bedroom. Back through, you can see the living room there coming down the hall. You've got your half bath here, beautiful half bath for your guests. And a second bedroom, good size. This is a king size bed, so you can see this is a good size room. This room also has its own adjoining full bath, shower, vanity, toilet, of course. Nice size closet. Here we have your primary bedroom. Again, a nice large bedroom. This is a king size bed and your primary beautiful bathroom. Large vanity. Nice soaking tub, large shower, and these floors, by the way, are heated, which is lovely. And that soaking tub, and directly from the bathroom we have a large walk-in closet, tons of space. Lots of shelving, plenty of room for all your shoes, purses. Great walk-in closet, lots of storage here. And coming back down the hall. We went through this bonus. This bonus room could also have, you could also put your laundry up here. Laundry's in the basement. We'll check that out. Also in the dining room is an ice maker and some built-in shelves for all your beautiful glassware. Now we're going to go out back. And here we have a great deck. Lots of seating. Nice flat yard. Several great spaces for gardening if you like gardening. It's a great spot for a fire pit. You can see it's very private, lots of trees and shrubbery all around the yard. This would make a nice vegetable garden up here. Gets lots of sun. And you can see from here some azalea bushes, lots of mature trees and bushes and flowers, lots of space for parking. Those steps go down to the driveway, and here we are in the basement. You have your laundry here, and through here is another bedroom, which is currently being used as a theater room. This could also be a great office. There's some built-in shelving around the window there. There's a bathroom directly off of that space. And again, here's your laundry room, which again could easily be moved upstairs into that panel room. There's an extra refrigerator down here. On the other side, there's utility room with your HVAC. Again, more space, tons of space. And here is your single car garage. Again, more storage. Easy to park. And we'll go back, take another look at the backyard. Beautiful stone stairway, driveway, stone walkway up to the front door. And you can see straight ahead off to your right, that's actually the Grove Park Inn there, so super close to the Grove Park, easy walk or a quick drive. You can see it off there in the distance. Anyway, thanks for touring 6 Woodcrest. Call your favorite real estate agent and come and check it out. Thanks so much.